Nice coming early. There's nobody here and the temperature's cool. Here you got a bunch of different belts and handbags. A lot of fresh fruit in here. So if you're staying in Pattaya and you want to load up on some fresh fruit, this would be a place to come. Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. If you happen to be new to our channel, welcome to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you to a day market here in Pattaya just to show you one of the more local markets that you can go to while visiting the beach in Pattaya City. Pattaya is known as a very touristy destination. There's touristy things to do, but there's also some local spots you can hit up while you're here as well to get some fresh food or some ingredients if you want to cook at your apartment, or there's actually some clothing too. This is the Grand Hall Market behind me, and then the main one I want to show you is Buahkao Market, which is right here, and I can see there's a lot of fruits and vegetables already. Sun's right in my eyes, I can't really see far in there. There's also some food that you can purchase to eat there. So yeah, let's go for a wander through the market here in Pattaya. So yeah, this looks like it's set up more like a traditional market. You've got like, you could get places to get nails done, eyelashes, but let's start, I don't know, some of these places aren't open yet. I'm here early. We'll see where it starts. So yeah, right here. There's a lot of clothing in here. So yeah, going down the one side, I can see there's a lot of clothing, like I said, different types of stuff. You got some underwears, tank tops, a lot of women's stuff. Right here, different things that you might need. Yeah, some of the vendors are still open up. It's quite early. It does open at 6. It's open from 6 till 6, the market. So yeah, you can see there's all sorts of t-shirts. 6 to 6. And then I was reading online that there's a lot more stuff maybe on Tuesdays and Thursdays, or someone said Tuesdays and Fridays, and one other person said Tuesdays and Saturdays. So it's hard to know, but it does say it's open every day. There's some puppies here. Also some bunnies and birds. But yeah, as you see, there's quite a few of these that are closed. So maybe they open up later in the day for every day, or maybe they're just the ones on the Tuesdays and weekends. But yeah, you can get a lot of football jerseys here. If you are looking for one, this is a great place to come. They have like so many different ones. But yeah, there's a lot of choice. A lot of local ones too. There's Pattaya. That's cool. If you are into football, just know you can get jerseys here. Again, underwear, more t-shirts, all sorts of different ones. Jeans. And they also do massage here too, so if you want to come and get a massage, you get that done. Saudi cup. Yeah, it's just a little market, and there's a lot of stuff. So this is the other side of the clothing one, but yeah, they got some decent t-shirts in there. Some kids clothing. Saudi cup. There's also a night market as well. I'll put the link to where it is in the description below. Maybe we'll hit it when we come and do the Jomtien videos. We might stay for a bit longer in Jomtien just so we can do more videos. But yeah, hopefully we can go to that one. And there's also one in Jomtien. So yeah, some more clothing, women's clothing. So you got men's shorts here, pants. Nice coming early. There's nobody here and the temperature's cool. Here you got a bunch of different belts and handbags. So look at, just to give you an idea of pricing, $200 or $250 for these belts. These ones 100 baht. And all different types of handbags. And they've got all sorts of jeans here. Looks like some dresses. So we're back where I entered here. Working our way over to the food. Saudi Cup. Got all different cosmetics and stuff here. More dresses. Saudi Cup. Skirts and shorts. A lot of women's fashion in here, some pants as well. It's just like a mini Chatuchak. A very mini Chatuchak. So again, more clothing here, shorts. Got some decent ones here. Like cargo style. Saudi Cup. Got some more kids' clothes and costumes. There's Spidey. Let's see if there's different costumes up here.
Morning.
So we got some dresses here, like traditional style with the elephant print and other prints. And also a bunch of men's shirts here. So like the tourist shirts, you get lots. He's got a lot of different choice for those style of shirts. And then some hats. So everything you can think of for hats. You're gonna need that if you're doing any of the boat excursions in Pattaya. And then again, more clothing. There's some more here. So let's go down. Yeah, I'll just go up and down every single one. You got the black light t-shirts here. Some sort of food here, looks like. Oh, some fruit, some tamarinds, dragon fruit, longan, Saudi Cup. It's getting smelling more and more like food as I go further that way. It smells delicious. So socks stuff, more funderwares. A lot of cosmetics. And again, here you can get nails done, eyelashes. Very typical of Thai markets. You get all that stuff done, buy some clothes, and get some food. And then now, yeah, the food part starts. So we got a lot of fresh fruits here, some oranges, grapes. On this side, you actually have all the meals that are already done up for takeaway. They smell delicious. The auntie's here making it all. Just every little bit of everything you can think of. Look at the chilies. Can you handle those? And then they got the roasted pork knuckle here, or not roasted, it's braised. Yeah, you can sit right here and eat. They got all the stuff on the table to doctor it up for yourself. See the beans, cabbage, mustard greens, cucumber, everything. The bananas. A lot of fresh fruit in here. So if you're staying in Pattaya and you want to load up on some fresh fruit, this would be a place to come. You can see oranges, it's 50 baht probably per kilo, I would think. 45, 40, depending on the size. Maybe it's per. They actually have cashew fruit. That's what cashew fruit looks like. If you've never seen one. Pomegranate, longan, Saudi Cup, some avocado, so they're 60 per kilo. Same on this side. They've actually got the bigger ones and the small haas. 150 per kilo for these ones here. Howdy, Cop. They're making some peanut brittle right here. Howdy, Cop. You see they're making it fresh right here. That soup back there smells so good. I don't like soup, but it smells good. And then yeah, another little noodle place here with some stewed duck and stewed chicken. So right at the back there's tables. Howdy, Cat. A lot of tables to sit at so you can chill. And this is key. A lot of the places here have fans. You want to sit and eat and stay cool, they have you covered. Covered and cooled. So here they do the fresh fruit shakes. You can see the fruits in the cups. So they'll you just pick which one you want and they'll blend it up for you. All sorts of different drinks. These mini pineapples. They're so small. Yeah, they got some different things all pre-done up here. Then yeah, stepping out, there's a little alleyway here, and there's more stuff on this side as well. So they got some fried fish. They do papaya salad, so somtam. This guy's got some drinks here. This one they have looks like steam buns. Different types of steam buns here. And all sorts of ping. We got mu ping, gai ping. Sticky rice, so they have the two different variations there. So yeah, not just in the market there's stuff. You just go across and there's some stuff in here too. And tables set up so you can eat there. Got different snails here. You guys like snails? They're supposed to be really good here. They got them all done with lemongrass in there, so it's gonna have that very herbal flavor to it, like lemon, but without the citrus. All right, so that looks like it's it for this little market. Let's head over to the Grand Hall Market just quickly to show you what's in there as well. It might just be like clothing and stuff, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, we'll head over there now. I'm gonna stop the video and then we'll start back up over there. All right, so this is the Grand Hall Market. Yeah, it looks like it's mostly clothing, so don't go too far into it, but just know you can find a bunch of different clothing in here. Looks like some bedding stuff as well. Yeah, another spot you can get some nails done. Yeah, it's just all laid out. I don't know if it's, I think it's all new stuff. Yeah, it is. I thought maybe there was some secondhand stuff. Maybe there's a bit of secondhand stuff here. They got some shoes. And another place to get nails and stuff done. It looks like it's mostly women's stuff. So any ladies watching, Saudi Cop. There's a lot of clothing options here for you. And yeah, it's right across from the other market, so super easy to find. But yeah, I'm not going to go too much further in here. Again, it's just a lot of clothing. So you can come through here, check it out, see if there's anything that you want to purchase that fits you. If you're a Thai viewer, you're going to find something that fits you. As us foreigners, a lot of the stuff is size smaller, so you got to get extra big. And they don't always have those sizes. So just keep that in mind if you are shopping in these markets. But it's cool. It's nice that there is these local spots where the locals still come and shop here in Pattaya. And it's not far up from the beach. I'm going to have the link in the description below if you guys want to come to these markets, check them out. Again, really close to the beach, just up a little bit. But yeah, we'll leave the video off there. If you guys did like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Sawadee.